Welcome to Introduction to Canvas. This is part 4 in a series of 4 and will cover assignment groups, student view, and grades. So let's go over assignment groups first. If you click on the Assignments tab in your course, you will see that all of my assignments are listed here. My assignment groups are anything with a red title, so weekly activities, graded discussions, quizzes, and so on. We can split the assignments that we have created into multiple assignment groups. This helps with organization, and this is how you can weight your assignments. To add a new group, I'm going to click on the gray plus group button, and I'll title it Midterm Review. My new group will automatically appear at the bottom, and just like modules, I can drag and drop to reorder them. If I want to put an assignment in that assignment group, I can also just drag and drop it in. Now I am ready to weight my assignments. So to weight your assignments, click on the 3 dots at the very top right-hand corner. You'll see an option that says Assignment Groups Weight. Click on that, and then check off Weight Final Grade based on assignment groups. Click on that, and then check off Weight Final Grade based on assignment groups. This will open each group title and allow you to enter the weight values for each group. If we hit Save, we can now see for each assignment group the weight that is associated with that group. Again, you do not need to enable this setting. You can simply use assignment groups purely for organization or just not at all. But if you want to weight your grades, this is how it's done in Canvas. Now let's move on to student groups. This is done in the People item of the course navigation. You will see your roster listed here, and you will also see tabs for any group sets that you have already created. When you click on a group set tab, you can see all of the groups inside this set. At the right of each group are 3 dots. This is one of the ways you can access the group workspace. If you click on the 3 dots and click on Visit Group Homepage, you will enter the group's workspace, which is kind of like a mini course shell. As you can see, students can create their own discussions, conferences, pages, collaborations in their own space, and by visiting it, you can monitor their progress. If I go back to the People page now, we can add a new group set. So if you click on the blue plus group set button, this will allow you to create a new set of student groups. First, you need to name the set. Students can access their group workspaces through the global navigation menu on the left-hand side of the page, so that's outside of an individual course. So it's a good idea to name your group set something more meaningful than just Group 1. We recommend using the class name, then the assignment name. In this case, we will do Training Shell Assignment 4. Next, you can allow students to self-sign up for the groups, or you can choose to sort students manually yourself, or simply choose how many groups you want for this assignment and let Canvas do the rest. So let's say we want 2 groups. If you want, you can require that group members be in the same section. You can also have a group leader automatically assigned. When you have all of your settings adjusted, hit Save, and then here is our group set. You can see that Canvas automatically named each group within the group set 1 and 2. You can edit the title if you want to say Group 1 and Group 2. If you want to change the groups, you can do so by expanding them with the arrow and then dragging and dropping students between groups. Assignments and discussions can only be attached to a group set, not an individual group. So if you want students in the same group all term, you only need to create one group set. But if you want to have different groups do different tasks, you need to create a different group set for each task. In that case, each set would only have one group in it, and you could attach each one to a different assignment or a task. For student view, we click on settings, and then over on the top right, there's a button that says student view. Now we are seeing the course as an enrolled student would see it, with a pink border to remind us that we are in student view. Student view is actually an account that's built into every Canvas course, so you can make discussion posts and submit assignments while in student view. They will show up as a test student in your gradebook. So if you wanted to see what it's like to submit an assignment as a student, you can go into any one of your pre-existing open assignments, and this is the view that the student gets. So they're able to submit their assignment, and you as a test student can actually go ahead and submit something. To leave student view, just click the Leave Student View button in the bottom right-hand corner. Let's look at the gradebook now. If you click on Grades in the course navigation, you will be brought to your gradebook. You can see that we have 4 students here. The test student is from when we were in student view. Any student that has a paper icon means that they have submitted a paper, but it has not yet been graded. If a student has been graded, you will see that their score is displayed in the gradebook, and a dash means that the student hasn't submitted yet. If you hover over any of these cells, you will see a discussion icon display in the top right corner. You can click on that and leave a comment. You can see our other instructor already left a comment. You can add your own, and you can edit their grade right from here as well. Some settings that I want to go over: if you hover over the name of any assignment, you'll get a drop-down arrow. If you click on that, you can immediately go into the SpeedGrader. You can download all of the submissions for that assignment. For now, let's start in SpeedGrader. I'm actually going to go into the SpeedGrader for this assignment here, the group project. So you can see in SpeedGrader that it opens up the file that this student, George Hamill Cook, submitted. You can, as the instructor, enter the grade right through SpeedGrader, and you can also leave a comment here as well. You can record an audio or video comment on the spot by selecting that option here. You can also attach any files that you want to leave for the student in your comment as well. This concludes our Introduction to Canvas tutorial series.